My name's Deric. This is my wife Jenya. We bought a fixer-upper. We're remodeling this house one day at a time, all while living in it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to get all the latest videos to track our progress. You'll find lots of how-to videos with step-by-step instructions to help you with your next do-it-yourself project. Welcome to the Rundown Reborn channel. Okay, we've pretty much finished the living room, and it's all done, except for the flooring. That's way down the road. But I'm ready to show it to you. Here we go. We're going to say go team on 3. Go team demo. 1, 2, 3. Go team demo! You got some rock.
Bugs did a pretty good number on that one. And that's the worst one I see.
So it's all integrated into the joist framing right here.
Well, got all the wiring in under the crawl space.
At this point, I'm finished with the ceiling drywall. good to go. I'm on my last bit of wall here, and it's not a pleasant job, but it does save a lot of money. And I'm just trying to smooth out those edges. Careful you don't gouge the wall. Our room is pulled together. We're nearly ready for paint. Today I get to do trims. Get right on that. We're going to do a warm gray on the walls, and I went with a cheaper grade of that, and that is an eggshell finish, and that's going to probably require 2 coats. So that's where we at with the living room. We're all wrapped up there. It's time to extend on into this area. I've been working on the porch. It's nearly finished. I'll have a video for that in a short amount of time. And once that porch is all wrapped up, we'll go ahead and expand into this area. Get this dining room finished up, looking just as good as the living room, and then move on into the kitchen. We've got some cabinets to hang, lots to do. It's coming up. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.